There's a lot of them actually. It's either they can't handle it and they'll refer it over, or they can't handle it and they drop the case. They just tell the client, sorry, there's nothing we could do for you, or they're just not handling it right and the client switches over to me. I'll give you two examples. One was a accident case where my client didn't have insurance, and so the law firm figured, okay, this guy can't get money for pain and suffering. It's not a big deal. It's not a big case. He had very limited treatment, and they just were ignoring him, weren't communicating with him, and he switched over. Oh, and ultimately they told him, you know, if you're not happy, leave, because they didn't see the value in the case and they didn't care. I took over and settled that case for $1 million. I have another case where the law firm, typical of your mill, wasn't designating the correct experts. The case was in federal court because they didn't properly designate a defendant that would keep it in state court, and basically thought there's no liability because they didn't see anything in the video, which we later found to be fabric softener, which was being blown across the store, and you had Home Depot saying, there's nothing there. There was nothing that he slipped on. He's walked in that area before. So many people have walked in that area. It turned out that it was because they didn't inspect their property and they weren't sweeping. And you see this fabric softener just being moved around, pushed around different areas of the store, either by the wind or maybe somebody making contact with it. You've got to take every case, commit your resources, and make sure that you're able to develop it properly so that the client can get the money that they deserve to represent the pain and suffering and the injuries that they've sustained from the accident.